Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking your iPhone and confirming iOS is current, because system updates often resolve Bluetooth issues. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so you can see paired devices. Make sure the accessory is nearby and powered on, since a visible connection makes renaming reliable. Next, locate the device in the list and tap the small info icon. This first actionable step brings you into the device details where the name field lives and where you'll make the change. Now you're in the device details and you'll tap Name to start editing. This is the how. Type a concise, recognizable label. You want to spot it quickly in lists, and avoid exotic special characters because some accessories won't accept them. Once you finish typing, tap Done or Save to commit the change, and then wait a few seconds so the phone and accessory sync the new name. If the device doesn't immediately show the updated name, close Settings and reopen Bluetooth to confirm the change. Finish by confirming the new name shows under Settings right arrow Bluetooth and in places like the Control Center audio output, because consistent labeling matters when switching devices. If the name hasn't updated, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, or restart both the iPhone and the accessory. These steps reset the connection handshake and often resolve sync delays. If problems persist, unpair and repair the accessory. That forces a fresh profile and almost always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.